Good morning, students. Welcome in the third class of Bio. Our topic is cell. In previous class, we have discussed about the parts of the cell. Hope you will understand it well. Our today's topic is cell organelles. As you know, cytoplasm contain many cell organelles performing a specific function for the cell. Let us discuss all the cell organelles one by one. Number 1, mitochondria. Mitochondria are the very important cell organelles present in large number on the cell surface according to the needs. Mitochondria are either rod-shaped or spherical. It is surrounded by double membranous structure, outer membrane and inner membrane. In inner membrane, it has many finger-like projection to provide large surface area. It contains matrix also. Mitochondria contain their own DNA like nucleus. It's a unique cell organelles which contain its own DNA. They are present in large number and it helps in cellular respiration. Where does cell respire? Respiration of cell takes place in mitochondria. That's why it is called the site for cellular respiration. It stores energy in the form of ATP molecules. Mitochondria store energy in the form of ATP molecules. Mitochondria is the cell organelles which is responsible for cellular respiration and generation of energy. That's why it is also called the powerhouse of the cell. The next cell organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, it is a network of membrane. It provides a channel to transport the materials. It serves or provides channel for transport of material. Where it is present? It is present near the nuclear membrane. It is of two types, A, smooth endoplasmic reticulum and B, rough endoplasmic reticulum. What is the difference between smooth and rough? A smooth endoplasmic reticulum, its simple membrane-like structure help in the synthesis of lipids or fat for the cell. Whereas when the particles of ribosome attached with the endoplasmic reticulum, it is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. It has coarse surface so that it's rough, and rough endoplasmic reticulum, because of the attachment of ribosome on it, it help in protein synthesis. Rough endoplasmic reticulum play role in protein synthesis also. Endoplasmic reticulum, where present? It is present near the cell nuclear membrane and it help in the network and provide channel to the cell. Next is Golgi complex. Golgi complex. Golgi complex is a sac-like stacked one another. It is the sac-like structure and it is stacked one above the others. The function of Golgi complex is it help in processing and packaging of materials produced by the cell. Golgi complex help in processing and packaging of materials produced by the cell. It is the sac-like structure and that sac is stacked one above the other. The next is the vacuoles. Vacuoles is the empty space in the cytoplasm. In plant cell, vacuoles is large in shape. Its function is it store excess of materials in it. That is the waste product which is also called cell sap. In animal cell, vacuoles are very small in number, very small in size and maybe more in number. Ribosome. Ribosomes are the tiny granules present in the cytoplasm and also sometimes attached on the RER. Ribosome is the independent particles, that is the granules just like a crystals are scattered on the cytoplasm, as well as it is also attached to the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Functions of ribosome. Ribosome help in protein synthesis, and that's why it is also called protein factory for the cell. Which cell organelle is known as protein factory of the cell? It is ribosome. Previously you studied about that. Which cell organelle is known as powerhouse of the cell? That is mitochondria. Protein factory of the cell, that is ribosome. The next cell organelle is maybe cilia or flagella. Cilia or flagella is the small extension on the cell membrane. It is not present inside the cytoplasm. It is the external projection, and it helps in locomotion as well as collection of the food. It is not always present in all types of cell, especially in plant cell it is completely absent, but only in animal cell it is present. And few smaller organism, unicellular organism, they play a very important role, such as amoeba, paramecium, euglena, etc. And they help in locomotion or catching of the food. Next is the plastid, the very important cell organelle but only present in a plant cell. How student, as you know, you are very familiar with the word chloroplast. So plastid is the cell organelle which is only present in the plant cell. Plastids is the cell organelle which contain color pigments and that give color to the plants. Plastids also contain their own DNA. Its own also contain its own genetic material in it. Plastids are of three types. Plastids are of three types according to their function. Number 1, chloroplast. Number 2, chromoplast. And number 3, leucoplast. Chloroplast. Chloroplast is the plastid which contains green color pigments, that is called chlorophyll, which has tendency to absorb sunlight. That's why chloroplast help in photosynthesis. Chloroplast help in photosynthesis. Second type of plastid is called chromoplast. Chromo means color. So that plastids generally contain color pigment and responsible for color for fruits and flower. It is containing carotenoids pigment, that is red, orange and yellow pigments, and generally we will find out in the fruits, different vegetables, flowers, etc. The third type of plastids is called leucoplast. Leucoplast is the colorless plastid. No colorful pigments present, does not contain any color in it. So it is the colorless plastids generally present in the root, etc. So what is the role it play? It play a very important function in storage of starch. Which plastids help in storage of starch? That is leucoplast. Provide color to the fruits and flower, that is chromoplast. And help in photosynthesis is the chloroplast. So chloroplast is also known as kitchen of the cell. Now we should also know about lysosome and centrosome. These are the cell organelles present in animal cell. Lysosome contain waste in it. When it bursts, it digests whole cell. That's why it is also called suicide bag of the cell. Another cell organelle is present near the nucleus is called centrosome. A centrosome contains two centrioles in it. It's play important role at the time of cell division in animal cell. Let us compare plant and animal cell with the help of diagram. This is the diagram of plant cell. Plant cell wall surround the cell membrane. Cell membrane is surrounded by thick wall, that is called cell wall. Cell wall is absent in animal cell. In plant cell, ribosome present, mitochondria present. Nucleus is present in the peripheral region, which is present in the center of the cell in the case of animal cell. In plant cell, plastids is present, which provide color to the plant cell, which is absent in animal cell. In plant cell, endoplasmic reticulum present, both rough and smooth. Large central vacuoles present, Golgi apparatus present. All these structures play vital role in plant cell. When you compare it to the animal cell, in animal cell the outermost layer is called plasma membrane or cell membrane. Cell wall absent. Nucleus is present in the center of the cell. Just near the nucleus, nuclear membrane, endoplasmic reticulum present, both SER and RER. Golgi apparatus present. Small minute vacuoles are present and mitochondria present in large number. Plastids are absent in animal cell. So that's you have to write the difference between plant cell and animal cell in copy. Now we will understand the level of organization. What do you mean by level of organization? Level of organization. It is the cellular level of organization, tissue level of organization, organ level of organization, organ system level, or finally organism. Let us discuss cell. What is it? It is the basic unit of all living beings. Few organisms such as unicellular perform the cellular level of organization. Tissue level of organization. What is tissue? Tissue is the group of cells performing the specific function. For example, muscular tissue, that is epithelial tissue, etc. Blood is a tissue, very familiar with the blood, that is blood tissue, etc. Organs. Organs, a group of tissue performing a specific function. The difference between tissue and organ. Tissue is the group of similar cell perform a specific function, whereas organ is a group of tissue performing a specific function, such as your finger, your heart, etc. A finger contains muscular tissue also, bone tissue also, blood tissue also, nervous tissue also. And when a finger performs job, all the tissues work together. Organ system. A group of organ, when perform specific function, it constitute a type of organ system. Like nerve, spinal cord, brain constitute nervous system. Different organs which is used in the process of digestion perform digestive system, etc. And when all the organ system work together, coordinate each other, it makes organism. All organ system work together to make organism. This is the main concept in the structure of cell and the large organism or higher grade organism. Thank you.